The goal of equipment maintenance. The main goal of equipment maintenance is to keep equipment in optimal working order. When proper regular maintenance is applied to a piece of equipment, it maximizes its production output and increases its useful life. Maintenance, repairs, or calibration team. A trained and competent individual, a group or a team handles activities linked with, usually, the following individuals are included in the PM programs: maintenance manager, maintenance supervisor, maintenance technician, mechanics, signing off and verification individuals, QA and post-maintenance sign-off or release. Preventive maintenance manual or procedures. Preventive maintenance manual. A written manual or set of procedures, practices and actions developed and put in place by a food business operator to effectively and safely maintain and repair food processing and/or support equipment. What to maintain or repair. In a food plant, we may have to maintain and repair lines, equipment, utensils, utilities, premises. In a food plant, what to maintain or repair. Food processing and production equipment, mixing and blending equipment, baking ovens and proofers, canning or retort equipment, pasteurizers, cooking kettles, extrusion lines, food packaging equipment, form and fill packaging machines, sealing machines or tray sealing machines, vacuum packing machines or map packing equipment, aseptic filling and packing machines, tin packing machines or concealing and packaging. In a food plant, what to maintain or repair. Continue. Food conveyance equipment such as forklifts, pump trucks, racking system, refrigeration systems, boiler and compressor system, food waste handling systems, HVAC and ventilation systems, dock doors, lab equipment, others not covered above. Good maintenance practices. Good maintenance practices may include but are not limited to written guidance, procedures, or manuals. Master maintenance schedule, maintenance checklists, breakdown maintenance or repairs, post-maintenance or repairs, sanitation, post-maintenance sign-off. Viz Pro LMS, shaping the future of learning management system.